Given an array of integers, a string and numbers, return the sum of the array values as if all were numbers. Return your answer as a number. So what we have here is an input of mixed arrays consisting of integers and strings. So what happens when we just return the sum? Return sum array test unsupported operand types for integer and string. So what I propose to do is to look through the array. So for element in array, and then convert all the elements to numbers and actually append it to a new array. So let's make a new array as well. Desired array is empty array. So for element in array, we do a conversion. Element is integer element. Integer is a built-in function to convert strings to integers. And then we have to append the new elements to the desired array. Dot append element. And then we can just return the sum. Return the sum of the desired array. That should be enough. Yeah, it should be 22. Let's test this one. This should result in 42. Yeah, easy peasy. You can test this yourself by printing the type of the element before the conversion and after conversion. When we print the type of the elements before the conversion, we see a mixed result of strings and integers. So let's do that. And as you can see, you see a class of a string, an integer. That's the third one. Fourth one is an integer as well. But when we place the print statement after the conversion, we will only see integer classes. Yeah, as you can see. So that's what's actually happening. And to completely drive this home, you can use list comprehension as well. And then you do basically the same. You start off with a conversion. So this conversion right here, you place at the beginning, and then you iterate through the array for element in array. And then you can immediately return the sum of the desired array like this. And there you have the same result. So let's take this one. It's actually shorter. Paste, attempt, and there you go.